Hi friends, for our letter center today, we're going to work on the letters C and D. Now I want you to remember it. The first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to put my name at the top with my pencil. Now friends, remember when we're writing our letters, I want you to practice using a pencil to write your letters. So we're going to trace the letter C. So I'm going to start at the top and pull around on the curve. And remember, lowercase d is going to stay under the dotted line. So again, I'm going to pull from the top and pull around the curve. And then capital C again is going to touch the top line, pull around the curve. And lowercase c is going to stay under the dotted line and pulling around the curve again. Capital C, I'm going to pull around the curve, touching the top line, pulling around to the bottom line. And lowercase c is staying under the dotted line, pulling around on the curve. Okay, now I'm going to come down and trace my D's. So for my D, I'm going to pull my straight line down first, and then pull around and make my curve. Lowercase d, I'm going to make my curve, and then come around and make my straight line down. Okay, straight line down, pull the curve around. Remember, lowercase d is going to have a diaper, so it has the curve behind it. Lowercase b has a belly and has the curve in front of it. All right, friends, so I'm tracing my lowercase d. Now, I'm going to look at my pictures on the side. I have candy, dog, dice, cookie, duck, camel, donut, cake. Okay, friends, now I'm going to cut out my strip. Remember, when you hold your scissors, you're going to put your thumb at the top and the rest of your fingers at the bottom, and your pointer finger is going to be your guide. So I'm going to cut out my pictures. And then I'm going to decide where they go. So I'm going to really focus on those beginning sounds of my words. So I'm going to look at my first picture. I have candy. At the beginning of candy, I hear k. So I'm going to glue the candy next to the letter C. Remember when you use your glue, just a dot, not a lot. So I'm going to glue the candy. Okay. Then I'm going to look at my next picture. I have a dog. I hear d at the beginning of dog, so I'm going to glue it by the d, dog. Okay, friends, now I want you to cut out and glue the rest of the pictures by the correct beginning sound. So we have k and d. When you're all done, I want you to use your very best kindergarten coloring to color the pictures. Okay, I'll see you again soon.